Going, everyone? So Hey everyone, welcome to the third installment of my 5-part video series of this Ford Transit build. So the last episode I was doing all this epoxy work and I am ecstatic at how it turned out. This flat black finish with the high gloss finish is a great contrast. This actively glows in the dark and it's really awesome. Unfortunately, cameras can't really pick it up that well, so it's something you guys see in person, so hit me up if you want to hang out. I don't know. So right down here, we're underneath the sink. And this right here is my ventless water heater. It's ran off propane. It's just got a little copper heat exchanger in it. Heats it up. It has a bunch of sensors in there, so I won't die from asphyxiation. And moving on to the other side of the van, same thing. Nice flat black side pieces, along with the high gloss finish. It was worth the 6 days it took to make. This is the first dresser I ever made. Really happy about it. Everything is going to be properly faced. This is not the end result. This is just, the actual functional portion. I have all soft closing slides, so that's pretty sweet. And they're actually sticky, which is a mistake on my part, but at the same time, when I'm driving, these won't come open automatically because I've driven around with a bunch of hardware in here. I got this big old thing in here. It's pretty heavy, heavier than my chonies. I feel like a wrapper posing next to my rims. Down here is, sit. That's a good girl. All right, and Bella would like to show you all my refrigerator. Guess not. This is a Vandemic 47 liter. Pretty sweet. It's got a little freezer on it. Cool. Really excited about it. Keeps my beers cold. A lot of this van build is fueled by beer. Let's go ahead and just hit this little switch right here. Oh snap. What's going on right here? As you can see, while the bed's going down, I have these little gas struts right here that are pushing this panel out. I have it on both sides, so the bed is effectively 6 feet rather than the narrow 5 that, All right, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. The notorious bed that we've been talking about all this time is finally complete. Well, it's not complete, but it's getting there. I don't want to hear any inappropriate comments about this bed, all right? Keep it clean. So we did not just do the bed stuff, also did a lot of shower stuff. So I got a lot more FRP up. I got this sweet light feature that automatically makes this cool noise when you hit it. It goes, "Daw!" No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't make noise, but it's pretty rad. Now this isn't as cool as the things that I just showed you, but I think it's really cool, so you're gonna see it. Right here, I got these cool little outlets that at nighttime, they light up. Like little night lights. Keep the boogeyman away. And right here we are underneath the bed. I installed these deep pockets right here because every inch in a van matters. Right here, this pocket goes about all the way down to here. This pocket goes same about down there. And then adjacent to that, we got another pocket, very deep, lots of storage. But also, I have this little black vent, and this little black vent is connected to my air conditioning unit and my heating unit that came stock with this vehicle. I also put a sending unit in right down here. So this sending unit, I know it says fuel, but you can think of water as fuel if you want to get creative. But everybody's like, why don't you just look at your water tank to figure out how much fluid you have in it? Well, this water tank is underneath this bench, and this bench is going to have storage built on top of the water tank. So rather than removing my skivvies every time I want to see how much water is, I thought it'd be cool to put in a sending unit. And it works great. All right, that's all for now, folks. If you like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, I leave all my Amazon affiliate links below, so if you like all these cool products that I use, feel free to buy them off my description. It helps me out a lot, and it's much appreciated. Hope everybody has a great day, and if you're building a van, sick.